Today we're going to break an alarm clock. So, yeah. There you go. We're going to break it. I broke it in one shot.
That's good.
Are these cans supposed to be indestructible? I'm afraid it's going to pop.
That would suck.
Come on. Keep it going.